What's up, gang? Sleep's really important, obviously. I say that because I got 4 hours of sleep last night, and I can definitely tell. Pretty tired today, not in the best mindset. My head was hurting a little bit, and I had some trouble concentrating. It's good when you're trading. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good to prioritize your sleep, your diet, working out, getting some physical exercise if you're trying to become a successful trader, because that helps you have a better mindset going into the next day. If you're not taking care of your health or getting proper sleep, that'll affect your mindset negatively. So it's really important to take care of those things. And that's why I'm going to get more than 4 hours of sleep tonight. Let's go ahead and get into the trades for the day. Okay, we are recording, and we are recording my audio. That is a win-win. Here is the first trade of the day. First trade and only trade again. We came down, tested those pre-market lows and pushed off of them, and then we're pulling back and we're kind of forming a higher low here. So look to get in, got in on a long option there, and now I'm just setting my PT and stop. Alright, so nice quick little scalp trade. Pause it right here. Got in on this candle. Then this next candle came back, tested it, and bounced off of it. I was really wanting to add on this position, but I just couldn't pull the trigger. I was thinking, okay, this looks even better now. This support held through this first candle, and then it held again through the second candle, which meant that we had a fairly strong support, and it just made the setup more attractive. So it was a good opportunity to add another contract here. I didn't, but I stuck to my plan. I didn't stop out. I held until it got really close to my PT and then set a stop, got stopped out. So good execution, good trade, good plan. Let's go ahead and go to the account. All right, here's the account for the day. Made a little less than 20 bucks. I think it was 19 something and something cents. TraderView likes to round up, which I appreciate. Now we can go to reports. All right, so this is what we look like from the start of the account. Average per share gain / loss continues to go down or up, depending on how you look at it. This negative number is shrinking, so that's a good sign for us. Our cumulative P&L looks pretty good right now. Okay, we've been falling and falling and falling, and now we're starting to even out. We're starting to find some consistency. So far for this week, I don't want to jinx it. We have one more trading day, and things could go south quick. So we need to be careful. We don't want to be like a bird heading south, migrating. We don't want to migrate anywhere. Depending on how tomorrow goes, this could be our first green week since the start of the account. We've had a lot of about break-even weeks. We've had a lot of red weeks, and this is going to be our first green week if we don't screw it up tomorrow. I don't want the thought of me losing a green week to interfere with me taking good trades. If I take a good trade and it's a loser, that's fine. I need to be okay with it. But I don't want to miss taking good trades because I fear ruining my green week. Now to review the opportunities that we missed that we would have liked to have taken. Hindsight being 2020 or better, maybe 2320. I don't know. So looking at SPY, pushed up, came back to pre-market low, pushed up, came back to tested this pre-market low again. Would have liked to go in long here. Pushed up above this inflection point that it had trouble getting over previously. Pushed up, came back and tested that inflection point. Would have liked to go in long here, and actually this is my trade of the day. This is where I went long. That was a good long. Pushed up, came back, pushed up again, and kind of triple topped here. So you see it pushed up, got rejected, pushed up, got rejected, pushed up, and got rejected. This would have been a really good spot to have gone short here. Then you got a bad drop, and it started to curve out, looked like it was starting to reverse. I think going long here would have been good, risking just below this pre-market low. Pushed up above this inflection point again, and then came back and tested it. This would have been a good point to go long. And then we see kind of a wedge pattern forming on SPY. So some consolidation, some bouncing around, came back to pre-market lows. I didn't know which way this was going. I was actually considering taking some call options here, but I just wasn't super confident in it, so I just let this trade play out. We broke below pre-market lows, came back up and tested them. This would have been a good short right here actually. Came back and tested this inflection point that we bounced off of. This is a double bottom, and this would have been a good spot to buy. Now let's go to triple Q. Triple Q, same thing as SPY, came back and double bottomed here at pre-market lows. This would have been a good opportunity to buy as it's kind of consolidating here. Pushed up above the inflection point that it set, came back and tested it, and tested it, so this would have been a good opportunity to go long on. So then consolidated a little bit. There's some intraday inflection points that I set, and I think this would have been a good opportunity to go short at, this test of this inflection point, and then this double bottom at this pre-market low would have been a good opportunity to buy calls. Thanks for watching this video. I appreciate y'all. If y'all liked the video, please smack that like button. Word on the street is it helps the algorithm, and so then we can attract more people here, kind of like a fire attracts cavemen. If you have any suggestions for me, please leave them in the comments, as I'm trying to make my videos better that give y'all more value in watching them. So if there's anything that I can do that'll increase the value that you're getting out of my videos, please let me know. And besides that, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.